Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I made a video on making a mask with a filter pocket by using an item from a dollar store. My husband told me that the mask was too complicated for people who never sewed. I should show people an easier way to make a non-sew mask. Well, I like crafting, but I never thought myself as being skillful at sewing. I always thought if I can do it, anyone can do it. My husband said otherwise. So I look around inside the house for something that even my husband could use to make a mask. The key is, when you make a mask, it has to align with the nose, eliminate gaps, and cover the mouth. The mask needs a curve to the top of the nose bridge. I have to find something which already has this curve. Then I found this. Yes, Jesus socks. Originally, I was going to apply the heel part of the sock to the top of the nose. But I thought maybe the heel part going to the chin looked better and would have the same effect. So I applied the heel part to the chin. Cutting may fray the edge, but it's not as bad as you think. If you don't mind, just leave it. If you mind, do overlock stitching to prevent fraying. I will show you this technique using thick colored thread to make it easier to see. Just pull out the needle from the back to the front to wrap the fabric edge. In reality, choose the same color thread as the sock. Before use, insert something flexible at twist tie into the sock. And adjust it to fit to the top of the nose. You can also put the filter inside too. After use, take off the tie and the filter, then wash it. I use a fluffy sock. It will fit better and be more comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable putting an old sock on your mouth, I will recommend purchasing new ones. And if you buy new ones, please make sure they are quarter length or mid-calf length socks. Isn't it a breeze? And also make sure the length of the angle from heel to the ankle will be the same as the length from your nose to the chin. As I said at the beginning, I made a mask with filter pocket using a dollar store stuff. If you are interested, please check it out. As I said previous video, please remember it's no guarantee that the function of this handmade mask of blocking virus is the same as a surgical mask. Must be used in the case that surgical masks are not available. This mask will just prevent viruses entering when you touch the mouth and nose with your contaminating hands. But I also believe this mask will block most airborne droplets as long as you keep a social distance from other people. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. See ya!